Hey, what's up, Lisa? I hope that I was able to get across what I was trying to say with my other video, uh, being that I'm still trying to get my thoughts together on how to illustrate this, how to pull this system together. It's slowly starting to come together. Uh, right here, what I wanted to illustrate to you pretty much is the overall view of what I'm trying to do with in regards to as I call them, paths, you know, or procedures, you know, just trying to map out every single step inside a process of tape deck beats, um, which will eventually help to, make a better machine so we can be able to know where the problem resides and where we need to fix something, to add something or take something out, and also to make adjustments and so forth. I just wanted to just relay that to you so you can, better grasp the concept what I'm trying to do. My ultimate goal, like I said, or actually one of my ultimate goals, is to be able to document everything. You know, so prior to me documenting, I must have everything laid out step by step. Now, so when I was in Bible study today, I got these thoughts on how can I make this thing happen faster. How can I pull together this so-called tape deck beats system a lot faster? And I thought about it, and I came to the conclusion that I'm gonna have to employ more help, meaning not only have you on my team, but have a few other people doing different parts of tape deck beats. You know, like for example, when I have somebody, I want to have somebody working on just the path of when a potential producer feels. Yeah, when I want to have somebody in charge of when, just mapping it out each and every step, that when a potential producer signs up for new tape deck beats, I want it to be mapped out every single step. And then, of course, right next, after we work that out and map that out, I want to go and work for the marketing rep, MC manager, and supervisor. And now, of course, since last week, I have to add a new one, which will be the web content manager, if I said the name correct. And let's go and take a look. Yeah, I have to incorporate one for the content manager, you know. So one thing I'm finding out when you're trying to build is that when you I forgot the name of it, but it's like when you try to do one thing, then you find out that you got to do three more things, and then you do those three things. You got to find out you got to do three more things, and it feels like it's never going to end, you know? So that's why I feel that the best way to approach this is via teamwork, so I can be able to at least be able to feel not so overwhelmed, because it was rough just trying to get the first brick laid, you know what I mean? And to finally start it uh, to finally it to start to come into fruition, it's like a breath of fresh air. You know what I mean? It's a breath of fresh air. Uh, so that's a good thing right there. So that's pretty much where I'm standing at right now. I was just I call them paths or course of actions, like I said before. And the ultimate goal is to have manuals. It's to document everything, because once it's documented, all the system is in place. It means the organization is alive. It's well, alive and well, and the system will be able to run without my involvement, which will be a dream come true. You know. So like I said before, we have brainstormer one. His or her path will be to map out when a producer, when a potential candidate wants to sign up for Tape Deck Beats. Of course, they'll go in and I'll go on the site, and I'm just like I did. They'll map things out like this. I'll take some pictures and just try to learn SketchUp and brainstorm via SketchUp. And with the other brainstormer, Fiverr brainstormer, I want to employ them to do this path right here. When a hiring manager receives producer candidate info and the person is being put through the hiring matrix, which we're pretty much working on right now. And then of course the next one is I want to work on the content manager, and hiring the content manager, and I'm just mapping out what will be some of the procedures on hiring the right content manager, and then being able to maintain and employ and give them a schedule and supervise them, and then also firing procedures, you know procedures that will forgot the saying, hire, I think it was hire, aspire, and fire. I know that's funny, but hey, I mean, we all gotta get fired sometime. I know I've been fired a couple times. Yeah. It's funny when it's done and over, but it's not funny when it's happening. But anyway, Lisa, I sure hope that you be able to grasp my concept, like I said before, and be able to, maybe even you can reach out on Fiverr if you know people, you know, who can be able to help us, with a team effort. That'll be great. Maybe you can help bring them up to speed with Tape Deck Beats, and just to give them some insights or the scoop on my goals, and how I think and so forth. All right. So if I miss anything, let me know. Send me an email. Send me a screenshot too. You know, well, a video. I want to hear your voice too, buddy. All right. Well, I'll talk to you later, and hope all is well. God bless.